I get this question all the time. Devin, what are the best low-risk faceless channel formats if I hate being on camera? 3 I'd start with. First, screen record tutorials. If you can teach software, AI tools, design, spreadsheets, or anything that happens on a computer, this is the safest starting point. The visuals are the lesson, so you're not relying on stock footage or expensive editing to carry the video. Second, slide-based explainers. Simple Canva, Keynote, charts, screenshots, and a voiceover. Great for education, business, productivity, and trend breakdowns. You control the assets, which makes production way more predictable. Third, case study commentary. Break down a landing page, ad campaign, creator strategy, app, or business model using screenshots and your analysis. Viewers are there for your judgment, not your face. Here's the decision rule. Use the 4R filter. Repeatable. Can you make 20 videos with the same structure? Write safe. Are the visuals yours, licensed, or clearly transformed with commentary? Retention friendly. Can someone understand the value in the first 5 seconds? Reasonable. Can one video get made in a couple hours, not a week? What I would avoid as a beginner: cinematic documentaries, heavy custom animation, and random clip compilations. Those are workflow traps. If you're testing formats, Satura is useful for turning one topic into a script, shot list, and packaging so you can compare what's actually sustainable. Start with the format you can repeat, not the one that looks coolest.